You were at peace, held what you thought it would keep you warm. But now that it starts scorching, you want to go to war. We measured our stature, jet lags and smooth words and pats on our backs. The good times you once had, before good became bad, before bad became sad. Now the enemy's closer than he's ever been, and I try to keep standing, but I get pulled down from within. If I go, if I go, you said we could, you said we would keep this thing real. But all I have achieved, the only relief is that I am still here. So I wave at the birds, I wave at the sun and the trees, and I fade. Stay, you said, stay, we can make this a useful mistake. A toast to the past and the present gets the pills, and I'm trying to stay sober, but I cannot promise anything. If I go, if I go, if I go.